Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to tell you about how to create a watermark logo in Canva. Creating a watermark logo in Canva is simple and perfect for branding your content. Start by uploading or selecting a photo to use as your background. Once it's on your canvas, click on the text tool and add your desired text. This could be your name, brand, or handle. Change the text color to white for a subtle look, and then adjust the transparency using the transparency slider to make it less prominent and give it that true watermark effect. You can place the text at the bottom corner of the image or wherever it looks best and resize it as needed. If you want a repeating watermark, just copy and paste the text multiple times across the image. If you prefer using your actual logo, simply upload your logo file, drag it onto the photo, and lower its transparency the same way. Once you're happy with the placement and overall look, go to the share button and download your image in your preferred format. And that's it, your custom watermark is now ready. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Canva design tips.